Hi, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha, and I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice. Today, my video is another in my continuing videos of valuable ideas to help you get your home sold. So let's begin with making the best second impression. As with the exterior, I've found that there are plenty of interior tricks to punch the right emotional buttons in prospective buyers. In all rooms, certain minimum standards should be met. All plumbing and electrical systems should be in good working order. Repair cracks in the walls. Paint. As with the outside, a fresh coat of paint throughout the house will more than pay for itself. Remove wallpaper. Replace missing moldings. And replace cracked or broken window glass. Again, in all rooms, certain standards must be met. Make sure window and door hardware all match throughout the house. Install new floor coverings. Install new light fixtures. Switch and outlet plates should match from room to room. And upgrade insulation in drafty or hot rooms. So let's talk about some of the items I just mentioned. A coat of paint can literally make the difference between a sale and no sale. Stick to off-whites. It tends to make everything look new, clean, and bright. Be certain to paint everything. Inside closets, inside cabinets, inside pantries. If a prospective buyer opens the door and sees dirty walls or shelves, you've just wasted the advantage that you gained by painting in the first place. And like paint, new carpeting should also be in a neutral shade. This helps buyers visualize their own furniture in your home, and that's an important step. We want them to visualize themselves and their furniture living in your house. Wallpaper, like wall colors, makes a personal statement about the owner's taste. Buyers want to visualize what they would do with your house, and wallpaper just gets in the way. Many buyers value good wood floors, so sand and refinish yours if they can be restored. If your home is short on storage space, add shelving, cabinets, or other storage systems to remedy this. Taken individually, each of these items may not seem like much, but you will find that the cumulative effect of fixing relatively minor problems can be dramatic. To get an overall picture of everything that you need to do to get your home ready for sale, go to my website, www.markrenner.com, and click on Special Reports. There you can order my special report, Squeezing Every Last Dollar from Your Home Sale. Valuable ideas to help you get the most out of your home sale. There's also many other special reports. Select the ones you want, and I will mail them all to you. Again, thank you for watching. Let's get your home sold. Have a good day. Please call me for your real estate needs or questions. Again, I'm Mark Renner with Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. My cell phone number is 402-690-1687, and my email is mark@markrenner.com. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.